Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SIM supports GPRS and has a small data allowance. Once done, power the Nokia 3310 and go to Menu Settings Connection. Enter the access point name from your carrier, fill username and password if required, and enable the GPRS toggle. Make sure signal bars show network availability. Weak signal will stall the setup. If multiple profiles exist, choose the one named for your carrier. After saving, the phone will try to register the data connection automatically. Once GPRS is active, open the built-in browser, Menu Applications Web. You should enter a lightweight, mobile-friendly URL or your carrier's WAP gateway to test responsiveness. If the page loads slowly, wait a few seconds. The 3310 handles tiny pages best. Make sure to save any frequently used links as bookmarks so you avoid repeated typing on a numeric keypad. If required, adjust browser settings like character encoding or image loading to reduce data and speed up pages. You now use the browser for basic tasks, news headlines, text email gateways, or simple WAP services. To optimize performance, turn off images and stick to text versions. This conserves limited bandwidth. If pages fail to load, restart the phone, recheck APN settings, and toggle GPRS off then on. Make sure the carrier still supports 2G. If not, data will not work. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm APN and 2G provisioning. This single check often resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.